Welcome to another 60-second pit tip. So today we're going to answer, when should I get my alignment done and how do I tell if it's off? Coming up. If you've wondered what kind of conditions that merits your vehicle needing an alignment, well, here's what you need to know. So first condition, does your vehicle seem to track straight down the road if you're holding onto that steering wheel, just making sure that it's going straight, or does it slightly wander to the left or the right? If your vehicle doesn't track true and straight down the road, there may be an issue with your front end or the adjustments on the alignment. Second tip, does any of your tires have uneven tread? Does it look like it's worn one side more than the other? And the third condition is the steering wheel straight with the dash? Does it align good with the dash, or is it slightly clocked one way or the other, not directly parallel to the dashboard? Now, if you have one or multiple of these conditions, you definitely want to get your alignment checked, because they'll cause a couple of things that will be detrimental to your gas mileage, to your tire wear, as well as to the front end of your vehicle and how your vehicle drives. Now, I know all you guys work hard for your money, and I want to make sure that you guys get every penny out of those expensive tires that you bought for your vehicle. So make sure that it's aligned, make sure that your vehicle's tracking properly so you don't miss out on some of that tread on your vehicle's tires. The other problem that a misaligned vehicle can cause is a loss of gas mileage, mainly because that vehicle's not rolling straight down the road. Those tires are tilted or turned one way or another. That's literally making the vehicle slightly drag on that misaligned corner. So we want to make sure that that tire is pointed straight forward so you get the best rolling resistance and the best gas mileage as possible. Now, one misconception a lot of people call and ask us about is that they think their vehicle's out of alignment because it's shaking at highway speeds. Now, I want to tell you, commonly that is not a misaligned vehicle. What that is a tire or tires out of balance. So in that case, you don't need an alignment, you need to get your vehicle's tires rebalanced. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more new videos. Follow us on Facebook and our website, pitstopcarcare.com.